So you need to take the left side and take the screwdriver or the screw opener. Yes, but you have to keep it very strong because it is under the pressure, as you see. You have to keep it very, very hard so that you don't get hurt. And then you need to make a few rounds on the clockwise to make it go again. And so you put it back. Yeah, you have to keep it very strong. And then put the screws back. Then there is the thing, but you have to do it very, very carefully because you have to put it back just straight inside. Okay.